First of all, I'm going to apologize. I think there is no good sound, but anyway, we're going to fix this issue whereby you see you get an issue which tells you that gain access to use this feature. To add custom thumbnail, first verify your number. So what do you do? For instance, let me go to one of the videos here. I'm trying to edit here. I want to put a thumbnail. It gives me this. What do? You just say verify. After saying verify, it's gonna ask you for your number. So what you do, you put in your number here. Okay, I'm gonna go to the next screen, put in the number, then come back because I don't want you guys to see my number. Okay, after putting the number, then you click get code. When you get code, what I didn't give me much of safety. It's fine anyway. I'll change it. I click on send code. After sending that, it's gonna send me a code, so I'm waiting for the code. Okay, sometimes it takes time. Let me get some time. I'll wait. Should send me that code. Okay, it seems like I put in a wrong number. Okay, let me change here. Good enough. I'm gonna put in the okay, then it says send code. See, it's gonna send this verification code. Yeah, it came 174681. Okay, then when I submit, you see phone number verified, right? Then you can go back to this video and say upload thumbnail. All set. Let's get it enabled. Okay, the feature is enabled now, so put on that. And save. Done. That's it. That's all you have to do, guys. Then you can do other things. Let me see. Subtitle, there's no subtitle here. End screen, there's nothing, but cards I can get. Okay, the reason why there is no subtitles, I don't know, maybe yeah, the video is new, so when the video is new, Google is trying to read those subtitles, so after maybe a day you can be able to do this. Now here end screen, the reason is like the video is so small, like I recorded using a phone, so it's so small, that's why it can't be, the screen I used is not that wider, so they don't give you that feature for that. But for all other things, I think everything is fine. So I can put also these keywords where we can say, they call the div tags. You can say pay get, maybe pay fast. See all those, that feature is there, and I say pay per USA, Africa. You see all those things you have to put them. I can now save. After saving, let me see the rank of this video. Okay, you can see the screen is small towards the phone screen. That's why they didn't give it those end screen, you get me? So I'm gonna get something for you guys. I want to show you how it ranks in optimization. It didn't, oh yeah, it's coming. You can see it's sitting on 50%, so I have to do more description or whatever, all that descriptions and stuff, and also the tags. I have to find relevant tags and all that, so that I stand a chance to do what? To do well, the video to do well. So it's optimized but not 100%. You can see end screen is not there, comments are not there yet, but we'll get comments very soon because this is a good video. Yeah, well, I think you've seen, but please don't forget to subscribe and also like the video. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. Yeah, I think I can also put thumbs on other videos, so it doesn't matter no more because now I'm approved to do that. Okay, thanks guys, and I'm ending the video. Don't forget to subscribe.